Hello, my wonderful learners. This is Ben, and you're watching The English Beat, the calmest, kindest corner of the internet for English learning. If you are here right now, maybe feeling a little stuck. Maybe you can understand English a bit, but when you try to speak, your mind freezes, or your tongue feels slow, or the words come out too late. I want you to pause with me. Take one slow breath, in and out. Good. You are safe here. You are in the perfect place. Today is going to feel easier, lighter, more possible. Because today I'm giving you my 5 secret movie hacks that I use with many of my private students, the shy A1 and A2 learners who become confident speakers in just a few months. And the amazing part? These hacks are simple, they cost nothing, and they are actually fun. No heavy textbooks, no confusing grammar pages, just you, your favorite movies, and a gentle, loving method that works every time. So get comfortable. Wrap yourself in a blanket, make a cup of tea, or sit quietly with me. Let's begin this soft English journey together. Hack 1. Choose movies you already love. This is the foundation, the strong base that makes everything easier. Start with movies you already know in your language. You must choose something you like, something your heart enjoys. Disney movies work beautifully. Frozen, Toy Story, Moana, Tangled, Finding Nemo, or romantic comedies you know by heart, Notting Hill, Love Actually, Crazy Rich Asians, The Proposal, or whatever makes you smile. Even action movies like The Avengers or Spider-Man. Why is this so powerful? Because when you already know the story, your brain relaxes. You don't have to fight to understand the plot and the English at the same time. Your brain focuses only on English, and your learning becomes 10 times faster. So pause this video for a moment. Take your notebook. Write down 3 movies you absolutely love in your language. Something that feels warm or exciting or familiar. I'll wait. Beautiful. These 3 movies will be your new English teachers for the next month. Ready for Hack 2? Hack 2. English subtitles only. Yes, only English subtitles. I know. It feels scary. You want your own language subtitles just in case. But trust your teacher, Ben. When you watch with your language subtitles, your eyes run to the easy text. Your brain becomes lazy. You stop listening to the English, and nothing changes. But when you use only English subtitles, something magical happens. You hear the word, you see the word, and suddenly, click, it stays in your memory. And because you already know the movie from Hack 1, you will understand most of it automatically, even at beginner level. The parts you don't understand, let them go. This is not an exam. This is gentle learning. You are collecting beautiful English words like tiny treasures. Try this tonight. Pick your first movie, watch 20 minutes with English subtitles only. You will feel proud of yourself by the end. Hack 3. Pause and repeat, the fluency builder. This is where your speaking will start to grow. This is my students' favorite activity, and soon it will be yours too. Here's how you do it, step by step. You're watching your movie. A line appears, simple, clear, useful. For example, from Frozen. I don't even know what love is. From Harry Potter, Hagrid. I shouldn't have said that. From Friends, Monica. Welcome to the real world, it sucks. You're gonna love it. When you hear a line like that, pause the movie. Say it out loud 3 times, slowly, calmly. like an actor. Copy the rhythm, the emotion, the music of the voice. Then play the actor again and speak with them. Like you are acting in the same scene, do this for 10 lines per movie. Just 10, not 50, not 100. Learning must feel soft, not heavy. After 30 days of doing this, you will have 300 sentences living inside your mouth, ready to come out naturally. This is how real fluency is born. Hack 4. Shadowing, the polyglot secret. This is the most powerful technique I teach. Polyglots use it, actors use it, and now you will use it. Shadowing means you play the movie and you speak at the same time as the character, like you are their shadow, like their echo. No pausing, no thinking. You just follow the sound instantly. At first you will laugh. You will make mistakes. Your mouth will get tired. Perfect. That means it's working. Start with slow speakers. Hagrid in Harry Potter, Dory in Finding Nemo, Olaf in Frozen, Lola in Big Hero. 6 even Baymax, very slow, very clear. Do shadowing for 5 minutes only. Then rest your mouth. You are training a new muscle. After 2 or 3 weeks, challenge yourself with faster characters. Rachel in Friends, Elsa in Frozen, Anna in Frozen, or even Tony Stark in Avengers. You will be surprised how natural your English starts to feel. Hack 5. Make your own version of the scene. This is where the magic becomes real. This is when English stops being a foreign thing and becomes a part of your personality. Choose a short scene you love. Watch it a few times, then turn off the sound. Now act the scene yourself, but with your own words. For example, the famous line from Notting Hill, "I'm just a girl," standing in front of a boy, asking him to love her. Your version could be, "I'm just a student, standing in front of my teacher, asking for a little more courage today." Or, "I'm just a person, standing in front of someone I trust, asking for a chance." Use the same emotion, the same feeling, but make the words yours. Do this with 5 scenes every week. In 2 months, people will look at your English and say, "Ben, how did they become so fluent so fast?" And you will smile and say, "Movies and a little patience." My dear learner, you do not have to be perfect. You do not need to speak quickly. You only need to begin, gently, consistently, with kindness toward yourself. These 5 movie hacks will guide you all the way from A1 to A2 to confident, expressive, natural English. So here is your homework, the easiest and the calmest homework you will ever receive. Choose one movie you love in your language. Watch 20 minutes tonight with English subtitles only. Pick 3 lines and pause, plus repeat them. Then send me a message in the comments or on Instagram. "Teacher Ben, I did it." I read every message, and I will be proud of you, truly proud. And if you enjoyed this gentle lesson, please press like. It helps. The English beat grows so I can keep making soft, calm English lessons for you every week. If you haven't subscribed yet, come join our warm and friendly family here. Press subscribe and the little bell so you never miss a new hack. I'm Ben, and I will see you in the next video. Speaking English beautifully, confidently, and with a little touch of magic. Take care of yourself, you've got this, and I believe in you completely.